Cognite and Microsoft provide a collaborative, open architecture that ensures industrial intelligence is no longer isolated, but fully infused with enterprise AI, connecting real-time site operations to the broader business.
Cognite Data Fusion can ingest the tremendous amount of data that our customers generate in an industrial setting, and to be able to then add value to that data and then scale it out to the rest of the enterprise. In particular, our partnership with Microsoft gives us the ability to merge industrial AI and enterprise AI in a way that is going to really transform the value that our customers get from the data that they already have today.
With a unified data foundation, complex operational information becomes accessible and instantly useful across the systems your teams already use every day.
We're at a very exciting time with agentic AI and Atlas AI, and then we're bringing a whole suite of ways to consume and act on that data, things that are engaging the worker where they are, out in the field, in the plant, in the enterprise, and building AI on top of that. It brings us new flexibility where we can address very specific use cases in heavy industry that Cognite specializes in.
This isn't just about innovation, it's about unprecedented speed.
Additionally, that partnership that we have with Microsoft allows us to deploy at a significantly faster pace. We've seen cases where we're able to deploy industrial AI to our customers and scale it across the enterprise. And we can do this 60 to 80% faster than we ever could before. Our partnership with Microsoft brings a tremendous amount of value both to us and our customers.
The 2026 Forrester Total Economic Impact Study shows a 465% ROI and a payback period of under 6 months for asset-heavy organizations.
Together, we can create solutions and bring offerings to our customers that allow their workers to be more productive because we're bringing new data, new insights, new ways of working that they've never had previously.